Hi, and welcome to Global Connect TV. And today I'm speaking to Scott Andrick of Pega Systems, and we're going to be talking about the exciting world of account openings.
Account opening.
So, I mean, the conversations about the branch in retail banking can sometimes be a bit contentious. There are people that argue about its demise. But I mean, in a way, sort of bankers have long struggled to gain a lot of profit from banks. So what are some of the obstacles that they're facing?
There's a couple different things at play when you look at sales and account opening from a branch perspective. The first has to do with the disconnect that takes place in a lot of instances between analytics in terms of what do I want to target, who do I want to target for particular products, and actually getting that to the point of contact actually at the branch. So the branch banker themselves are getting the best recommendations on what to do. And in fact, that's consistent with any of the other channels that the customer might experience. So that might be one aspect of the challenge. The other part is after you've gotten them to say yes, great, sounds like a good product, how do I seamlessly transition into the process of opening that account up? And there can be a gap or a miss there as well in terms of, am I asking questions or am I trying to gather data that actually is something that banks should already know? Have I made the account opening process itself onerous for the customer and the banker? So really, if you can streamline and be consistent from analytics to sales in any channel so that the branch is like anything else for the customer, but then also nice solid handshake for the actual account opening process and guiding people through only what's needed, everybody should be happy in the end.
So what about this idea of decision hubs? How are they beneficial, and how do they work with areas like the call center?
Well, actually, it transcends really all channels, and there's been a lot of talk about mobile here as well. So really, you think about mobile, you think about internet, you think about call center, branch, etc. What you want is a consistent experience for the customer. The customer views the institution, the bank, as one entity, regardless of which channel they go to. And the expectation is that they'll have a seamless and consistent experience going to their channel of preference to start. And actually, if they want to stop and finish someplace else, they should be able to do that as well. So if you centralize your decision hub, meaning how do I want to make offers and decisions about products to the customer, then you are channel agnostic in terms of how you interact with your customer, and you've got that great experience in terms of being consistent from a customer's perspective.